Don't go away. In this video I am going to show you what I do with my macaroni and cheese to make it last a little bit longer, taste a little bit better, and I'll explain why shortly. What I'm doing with my shells and cheese, the recipe was given to me a few years ago. Basically, you take a box of macaroni and cheese, you add a can of cream chicken to it and some tuna fish, which I have draining as we speak. The initial reason that this recipe was given to me was just because, well, it just plain tastes good. But the second reason I like it is whether you have the macaroni and cheese with the liquid cheese packet, or if you have the one with the powdered cheese. And what I find is that once I put it in the fridge, the cheese starts to dry out a little bit. It doesn't become super dry, but it doesn't have the same flavor the first day. The most time-consuming part really is the cooking of the macaroni itself. I will heat the cheese packet up. It makes it a lot easier to get the cheese out of there. Although, like I said, it is a bit on the warm side. So I'm going to put that in. Break that a little bit up with a fork, and that is 2 cans of tuna fish. And then last but not least, the cream of chicken soup. Okay, and you do not add water when you put this in. You just put the condensed version right inside here. What I will be doing is putting this in containers so that I can heat this up at work pretty easily. I am going to do 2 more videos to test out a couple variations. The macaroni and cheese, different box, essentially the same, only it's just going to be the powdered cheese instead of the liquid. Still be using cream of chicken, only in this one I'm going to use a couple cans of diced ham. So that will be one of the recipes. We'll see how that tastes. The second one will be shells and cheese again. I just picked these boxes at random. It will be cream of broccoli. We'll set that right there. And last but not least, what will go in this one will be a can of chicken breast added in to this mixture. So this has made roughly 5 small servings, which will work for me because I don't eat a lot of work at night. Don't forget to check out the description below, and I will list what I used in putting together this little meal for myself. Alright, so I hope you like this little cooking tip. Again, I'm going to do a couple more videos on this. Some of you may have already tried this. If so, if you've tried different variations other than the ones that I mentioned, I would really love to hear that in your comments. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. When you do, you will get the notifications of future videos being posted on my website.